Okay, we're on board. Say hi, Linda.
Hi, Linda.
This is our muster station. We go to deck 5 in case of emergency.
It's not really the muster station. It's actually our room, but it's
Yeah.
a picture of the muster station.
We are in our room. This is our um, room service menus, and this is our spacious bathroom, which we are quite familiar with.
Don't drop the damn soap.
Yes, so the trick here is not to drop the soap. The showers are very tight, which they're actually fairly comfortable though.
Yeah.
If you've lived on a houseboat, you know about small showers. But anyhow, that's it. You don't put anything in the toilet that hasn't gone through your body. And these are our welcome pieces of information. We got the cruise compass, and they talk about the cruise. And those are our shore excursions.
So what's a cruise compass? There's
And
a
the
lot
cruise-
of people that haven't been on a cruise before.
Cruise compass tells you everything to do during the day, what the weather is, what's happening on board. So it's
The
a blast.
drink of the day.
Drink of the day is very important. I have
Yeah,
one of the drink of
seriously.
the day every day, and I haven't had that yet, so I got to make that a point. Those are our welcome gifts. So we get free waters and then OJ because we're Emerald.
Oh, looks like
We hotsy totsy.
the bed makes into a bed, so we could get a room like this from our.
Yes.
These don't work on my diet, but
Oh, they got us cookies
they
too.
left us cookies.
So this is our little living room sofa,
Ooh, they smell really good.
and there is a TV. This is our plug-in ports, and there's a little bit of storage down here. This is the mini bar, which is completely not stocked, fully empty. And this is the bed. It's actually quite spacious, and on all the cruises we've been on in the past, very comfortable. And as we step outside, this is our balcony, which is pretty comfortable. Easily seats 2 of us, and of course will give us a nice view once we're cruising. This is Galveston, and they're busily working down there to get us ready to go. So that concludes our room tour, room 8232 aboard Liberty of the Seas.